Hello, my smart learners. How are you all? I hope you all are great and doing well. I'm Meenakshi Rana. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel, which is An English Learner. And I'm that English learner. This I have told you in so many videos, right? Today, in this video, I'm going to tell you about collocations. Do you know what collocations are? If you don't know, let me tell you. Collocations are combination of words which are used very often or more frequently in a language. Okay? The best part of using collocations is that you need to learn them and you can use them anytime whenever you feel like using them. It enhances your speaking skills. Also, it makes you fluent at speaking English. So, without delaying, let's get into the video. Okay? So our first collocation is keep in mind. Keep in mind means ध्यान में रखना. कोई बात ध्यान में रखना. Keep in mind. Example is, it's important to keep in mind that every child is unique in his own way. Okay? So the next collocation is take your time. पर्याप्त समय लो यानी पूरा समय लो, जितना समय तुम्हें चाहिए. Take your time. And the example is, you can take your time to answer my question. Next collocation is get together. Get together means इकट्ठा होना. So the example is, all the members of the family get together once in a year. Okay? Next is keep a promise. Keep a promise means वादा निभाना. For example, we should always keep our promise. Great. Next is let me know. Let me know means मुझे बताओ. Example, let me know if you can't come. Okay? Next is chance. Get a chance means एक मौका मिलना. For example, maybe next time I'll get a chance to visit London. Okay? Next is the same. Stay the same means ऐसे ही रहना. For example, nothing ever stays the same. कभी भी कुछ एक जैसा नहीं रहता. Nothing ever stays the same. Okay? Next is lose your mind. Lose your mind means अपना दिमाग खोना. Okay? Example is, you must have lost your mind if you say that's a good idea. Got it? Next is have a bite. यानी थोड़ा सा खाएं. For example, children should have a bite before going to school. Okay? Our next collocation is get ready for. Get ready for means इसके लिए तैयार रहें. For example, get ready for the party or we'll get late. Okay? Next is think twice. Think twice means दो बार सोचना. For example, we should always think twice before borrowing money from anyone. Got it? Next is pay the bill. बिल का भुगतान करें. For example, the customer is kept happy because customer pays the bills. Am I right? Our next collocation is do your best. अपनी पूरी कोशिश करो. For example, we should do our best in our exams. Okay? Next is do a deal. एक सौदा करो. For he wants to do a deal with business. Okay? Next is have a haircut. बाल कटवाना. For example, my son had a haircut yesterday. Here we are using past tense of have, that is had. So my son had a haircut yesterday. Got it? I hope you enjoyed this video and you will learn all the collocations to enhance your speaking skills and to get fluent at speaking English. This is a short video for you all, and I hope you enjoyed this video and like this video. Please hit the like button down below and subscribe to my channel if you want more such videos. And subscription is for free, you know this thing. Okay, see you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself, keep practicing English, and bye bye, tata, jai hind.